Hey, thank you so much for joining me today. I am the one, the only Haith Johnson, your hair expert. Thank you so much for joining us today on the La Host Hair Beauty channel. Hey, listen, I want you to subscribe. I want you to leave me a comment. Anything you want to ask me, click down below and leave me a comment. And always feel free to share. Sharing is caring. So go ahead, share the video. What we're going to talk about today, we're going to talk about the do's, the don'ts of hair glue. It is so much that's going out there. You can just Google hair glue and so I use that gotta be tacky glue, and then that's how it was like clear, right? And then I went and I put some crazy glue in there. I put some Glorilla Snot in there, and then I'm just gonna put it all down like this. Honey, it's just too much going on. Really, we gotta stop. But for those that really want a hair glue, some of those can hair glue. Are you a good candidate? It's not that you can't glue, it's are you a good candidate for gluing? I want you to stay tuned. We're gonna be having some Q&A in part 2. So listen, if you have a question right now, go down, anything glue, anything hairline, anything frontals, closures, wigs, whatever, leave me a comment below and I will promise you I will answer it. We're gonna be working with a model who have been diagnosed with lupus. Actually, she's been diagnosed with lupus and she's been diagnosed with MS. So through the process of some of her medications, it's caused extreme hair loss. So she has alopecia. And so she's a phenomenal candidate. And that's actually why glue should be used. It should not be used if you already have edges. But if you use lockdown, then you can use it. Let me tell you why. Lockdown is water soluble. And what that means is that as soon as the water hits it, it absolutely dissolves. So it causes no damage to your skin. It is absolutely created for those with sensitive skin. And it is also, it breaks down in water when you shampoo your wig. So it leaves no damage to your skin or to the wig. Reasons why you should glue and can glue. If you have alopecia, you're a great candidate for applying glue to your scalp. Another reason why you want to use glue is it's a real sense of security. It builds your confidence. Another reason why you want to use glue, it looks more natural. So if you're a good candidate, 2 thumbs up, go ahead, go for it. And the next thing that we're going to do today is we're going to actually walk you through the process with my model, Onita. And you're going to see how to start and finish, how to apply, and how to remove hair glue using our Lockdown by La Host. We have our model here, Miss Onita. How are you, Miss Onita?
Good.
She's great. So she's going to be a great model for us, a great candidate for us. So what we're going to do is we're going to first properly drape her, because you want to make sure that we don't get anything on her and her clothes or anything like that, because we are dealing with an adhesive. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to remove her wig for her so that we can analyze the scalp. Okay. So as you see, my model Onita is a wonderful candidate for what we're going to be doing today. And as I said, you have to analyze the scalp. Why do you need to analyze the scalp? Because you want to make sure that there's no rashes. You want to make sure there's no cuts, no scrapes, specifically around the hairline. So as I'm looking, I don't see any scrapes, I don't see any scars, I don't see anything that would hinder us from applying the wig today. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna use our Seabbze. Now, a lot of people use alcohol, but I personally like Seabbze. Seabbze is an antiseptic that is specifically made for skin and scalp. Why? What it does is it cleans the area where you're going to have to apply the adhesive. So we're going to go just around the front where we're going to apply the Lockdown, La Host Lockdown wig adhesive. Okay. So now that we got that nice and clean, we're gonna check, make sure. We're gonna ask our client and our guest, is there any stinging?
No.
Or tingling?
No.
Okay. If there's no tingling or like stinging, that's a good sign. That means, again, there is no scrapes, no cuts, or anything that will cause any harm to our client moving forward. So now let's do our application. When you purchase our lockdown, it's gonna come with 2 sticks. You're gonna make sure you wanna keep a hold to these 2 sticks. Really, it's easy to keep these 2 sticks because to keep them clean, all you gotta do is rinse them off just with water. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna use the end part for the first application, and it's really not a lot you're gonna use, a dab will do you. We're gonna put apply the first step just around the hairline, just like that, okay? After that, we're gonna go in, and I do it in 3 parts. I do it in the front, and then I go around to the side, just like this. So I got the front, the side, there's a gap there where I didn't apply anything, and I'll tell you why just before I lock everything down. The next application is the second temple. So we have the first temple, second temple, and then the very front. And that's really all you need in the beginning. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna first start here, just partially putting the wig on. I'm gonna flip down, just like this. And I'm just gonna have Anita to hold both sides, come all the way back, perfect, just like that, perfect. The next thing, what I'm gonna do is we just finished this wig, so I'm going to remove the net part, just like this, so that it'll look more natural when we apply it down to her scalp and her hairline. So all I'm doing is removing the part where the net was, okay? The next thing what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our blow dryer. There's this little button here, and what that does is it goes from cool to heat, cool to heat. So you're gonna go back and forth from cool to hot, cool to hot. And you're gonna do that for about 60 seconds. Okay, great. Now I'm going to apply the wig. The very first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hold it away from her scalp. Perfect. I'm gonna find out where the edge of that glue is. I'm just going to stretch out the wig. I'm pulling one. My right hand is going far right. My left hand is going far left. I'm then going to put the corners down to secure that. I'm going to hold for about 10 seconds. Then you're going to put the temple down, the first temple. I'm going to check her ears to make sure her ears are not being covered by the net. The second one, I'm going to go to the second temple, and I'm going to go down just like that. Now I'm going to hold down for about 10 seconds. And as I'm holding, I'm slightly just kind of pressure, putting my fingertips just as a slight pressure where the glue is, okay? Press down. The next thing you're gonna need is a rat tail comb. And what I'm doing with the rat tail comb is just basically, the key to a rat tail comb and pressing it into it is basically you're gonna take the tail of the comb and you're gonna press down, but you're gonna pull the hair back. What this does is it helps hide the line of the lace. You're gonna do the same thing. Now we handcrafted this wig. So what I'm gonna do is cut off any excess that may stick out. rat tail comb, and you're gonna hold down, and while you're pushing down with the rat tail comb, you're gonna pull the hair back. See, it's locked down. So I only really recommend for you to use this glue for like 24 hours. When you remove the glue, this is how you remove the glue. You're gonna go underneath the wig and you're just gonna remove it just with water. That's all you need. And you're gonna go all the way around until the wig lifts off. I'm just going to finalize Miss Onita's cut. Just a little bit. There you have it. A quick wig application that took probably less than 5 minutes. Feels good?
It feels good.
Does it feel secure?
Not going anywhere.
So ladies, again, I'm so happy that you tuned in today. Listen, if you would like to purchase our lockdown, all you have to do is go to www.lehosthair.com or click the link below and you can go right there. It's only $9.99. A little dab will do you so it'll stay. You can keep it for a very, very long time. A little bit will go a long way. Thanks again for tuning in. I hope this video has helped you. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to push subscribe. Don't forget to push like, share, and please let me know if there's a video that you want to see us do at Haith Hair and Wig to educate you. Remember, if you like learning, I love teaching. So this is the place you want to hang out. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. Okay, wait a minute. I'm sure you guys still have a ton of questions. So check out our part 2 of our Q&A sessions where we do nothing but answer questions for all of those that want to know a little bit more about lace fronts, glue, adhesive, how to and how not to, pros and cons, whatever it is. Make sure you stay tuned, push the link, and you can enjoy a little bit more information. Hey, look. Don't forget, leave me a comment down in the below section so that I can make sure that I'm answering all your questions and concerns as well. Thanks again.